Love your CD collection but hate digging through discs? You can't directly copy CD music to your iPhone, but don't worry. Here are 3 easy ways to turn CDs into portable playlists you can enjoy anywhere. Method 1. How to put CD music to iPhone with iTunes. Step 1. Add CD music to your iTunes library. Launch iTunes and insert your CD into your computer. A prompt will appear. Click Yes to import all tracks, or No if you only want to choose specific songs. Once the CD icon shows up in iTunes, click on it. Select the songs you want, then hit Import CD to begin transferring the music into iTunes. Once the CD icon shows up in iTunes, click on it. Select the songs you want, then hit Import CD to begin transferring the music into iTunes. Step 2. Convert CD songs to MP3 format. In iTunes, go to Edit Preferences and open the General tab. Click Import Settings, choose MP3 encoder, check Use Error Correction. Then click OK to convert your CD to MP3 and add it to your library. Step 3. Sync CD music to your iPhone. Connect your iPhone to the computer, open iTunes, and click the iPhone icon when it appears. Go to the Music tab in the sidebar, check Sync Music, and choose the songs you just added. Click Apply to start syncing. Method 2. How to transfer music from CD to iPhone without iTunes. Step 1. Rip music from the CD. In Windows Media Player, go to Organize Options, Rip Music, set the format to MP3, insert your CD, and click Rip CD. Find the MP3 files in your music folder when done. Step 2. Transfer CD music to iPhone. Use iOS Transfer to move ripped CD music to your iPhone. It also transfers photos, videos, contacts, and more between computers, iPhones, iPads, and iPods. Click the icon below to download the software to your computer and follow these 3 easy steps to transfer your CD music. Step 1. Open iOS Transfer and connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. The main screen will appear. Step 2. Go to the Music section in the left menu, then click the plus button at the top. Step 3. Find and select the ripped CD songs on your computer, then click Open to start importing them to your iPhone. Method 3. How to download songs from CD to iPhone using ImTOO. Step 1. Convert CD music to MP3 format with ImTOO Video Converter. At ImTOO Video Converter, insert C, load audio. Select songs. Choose format, for example, MP3. Set folder and click Convert. Step 2. Transfer music from computer to with ImTOO iPhone Transfer. Open ImTOO iPhone Transfer and connect your iPhone via USB. Locate the converted music. Click Add Files to iPhone, Add Files to List. Select the songs and confirm to transfer.